Automotive Mechanics and Service Technology program prepares students to service and perform maintenance on all types of vehicles. This training leads to a career as an automotive technician. Program instruction focuses primarily on diagnosing and repairing vehicle engine systems, with a curriculum offering training in the following areas: brake systems, fuel and ignition systems, electrical systems, cooling systems, transmissions, and drivetrain and suspension systems. In fact, the Northeast Automotive program is one of the few that offers cylinder block, cylinder head, and rotor and drum machining, in addition to the other areas that the curriculum covers. This program primarily offers hands-on learning opportunities in a shop that is designed and operated to provide experiences that show what an actual automotive mechanics business is like. Students can pursue either a 2-year certificate or an Associate of Applied Science degree, and graduates of this program are in high demand.
The Automotive Technology program prepares students for careers in a variety of settings, such as dealerships, independent shops, agriculture, specialty shops, and so much more.
I myself am a graduate of the Northeast Automotive program. The training I received gave me a great start with the dealership and led to my current job at Murphy Brothers. There's such a need for more skilled technicians from this program.
We love recruiting students from Northeast Automotive Technology program because of how well the classes prepare them to further their education by working in a real shop.
Things like rebuilding engines, transmissions, and alternators are skills that are hard to find. The instructors in this class teach real mechanic techniques that have been used for decades. And as long as people are still driving cars, I'll always know I will have work.
My family has always been into vehicles and racing. I grew up around it and decided I wanted to make it my career. The Automotive Technology program is the best first step I could have taken.
We stress to our students that they are working on one of the largest investments that most people make in their lives, their vehicle. Graduates complete our program with a strong foundation in all aspects of automotive technology.
At Northeast, our goal is for every student to graduate with the skills and knowledge needed for their next step in their career or education. Here are some program highlights for automotive mechanics and service technology. For more information on this program, you can send us an email or visit us online to schedule a campus visit.